The rubber condoms was invented in the mid-19th century. Today, most of condoms are made of latex X rubber, which is strong, thin, and long-lasting. Modern-day condoms must be comfortable. A factory began by mixing liquid latex rubber, which stabilizes chemical antioxidant and accelerated the speed of liquiding time. Glass condom mold, travel and simplified along with its decline. The first station washes it with water and dries it with spinning brushes. The mold then moves to a second station where it dips into latex filled tank. The temperature of latex maintained at 25 degrees Celsius to preventing from evaporating and creaming process which it can cause to damage. The mold is spun through a dryer, are dipped again and spin through the dryer once more time. Now the latex gets the correct thickness. The next station on the line with spinning brush on the edges. This machine rolled up the condoms. Now the condoms go through oven 10 to 12 minutes. When come out completely latex is pure. The next station removes condoms from the mold with high water pressure jets. And now wash and dry with cornstarch solution to preventing condoms from the sticking itself. The factory quality control lab checked random sample from every batch. In this test, they cut cross-section of condoms and stretch it, measuring how many folds it can take before breaking it. In this test, it measures the air volume and the pressure just before the burst. Then there is a water leakage test. They filled condoms with water and hanging for a time. They roll it on a absorbing paper to check water spot of microscopic level. Every single condom that factory made test sample on the go and inspect it. This machine picks up the condoms and load it on the rod. Rod is made up of metal, a good conductor of electricity. If any small hole is present in a condoms, then current pass through the condoms and reject defective control. Now it rolled in to the rods and check for holes. The condoms rolled it to rim. Robotic arms pass through the path and passes good one to a conveyor belt and reaches to a packaging line. Now it get into a conveyor belt for next step. Each one are passed through a small conveyor belt for a packing. The big rolls of foil and plastics make a packet. They make a specific packet and cut into a pieces. And then they take the boxes and push it into the boxes and fill it and seal the boxes and print the dates. And these condoms are good to go for a sale for up to 5 years. Thank you for watching.